This is going to be a video tutorial on how to access the hidden experimental settings in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Firefox web browser opened up now. To access the hidden experimental settings, also known as flags in Firefox, first thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the address bar. You want to put your mouse cursor in there, you want to erase whatever's in there, and you want to type about:config. Hit enter. It'll take you to a page that looks like this. It says proceed with caution. Changing advanced configuration preferences can impact Firefox performance or security. You want to click on accept risk and continue. It'll take you to a page that looks like this. Up top here, there's a Show All button. You want to click on Show All. And it brings up hundreds of hidden settings in Firefox. Up top here, you have a search bar where you could search for particular things. Off to the right side, it has a Show Only Modified Preferences checkbox. But you could change any one of these here. Like this one here, it says accessibility, block auto refresh. It's set to false. There's a toggle off to the right side of it. You could click on the toggle. Now I have just changed that to true. Now there is a little arrow button over here. It's a reset button. I can click on that reset button to change it back to false. But there are hundreds of settings in here. But that is how to access the hidden experimental settings in Firefox. Thanks for watching.